Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cool memory effect on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut application, and as you can see, I have imported my video to this project, and I'm going to create cool memory effect for this video. First of all, we need to click on overlay and click on add overlay, and then you're going to import your second video to your project. And I'm just going to pick random video from the Capcut library. For instance, I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to create memory effect with this video. I'm going to click on add. Okay, and I'm going to go to the mask option. We can scroll all the way to the right and find the mask, and you can choose the circle mask like this. And then I'm going to remove the mask right here. Alright, and go to the mask option again, and you can adjust the feather. Go to adjust, and you can adjust the feather right here, or you can also drag this arrow to adjust it. And you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I think it's enough, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, just like this. You can use the keyframe to adjust the memory effect if you need, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Let's say that this girl is thinking about burger. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make cool memory effect on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.